Hello everybody, this is Vic Stryzewski from 4%. I've got a very quick but important message for you. If you ever wanted to build real wealth through gold and silver for yourself, for your family, and get this on autopilot, all while making some money, I'm talking up to $7,000 per week potentially, I've got a very special event I'd like to invite you to. At this event, I'm gonna give you all the details about the company that we have just collaborated with that allows average, ordinary people to accumulate and get real gold and silver for themselves, for their families on autopilot, all while earning up to $7,000 per week of real hard cold cash. And we've got the system in place. I'm going to give you all the details at this special event. It is first come, first serve though, is very limited time opportunity. Register your spot, click on the link around this ad. Don't miss this for nothing because your future might depend on this. Click on the link, register your spot, and I'll give you all the details and how you can get started tonight.